Do you know the inside layout of this mud house? In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So the total area I have taken is the length is 30 feet in meter 9.14 meter and the width is 10 feet in meter 3.04 meter. In the front we have a sliding door here. After that we'll go inside. So we have living area. You can see here the sofa arrangement, tea table arrangement and also TV unit on the front wall. And we have a large size window for ventilation and light purpose and also a large size glass panel here. On the right side we have a bedroom here. You can see here the bed arrangement, wardrobe arrangement and also a large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this room. And the left side we have common use washroom plus water closet. Here you can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. On the back side we have kitchen area. You can see here the kitchen cabinet with burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement, and also we have a large size window for ventilation of this kitchen area. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.